So as you can see, the ground slopes down towards that way. It's actually good if the rain goes that way. However, in order to get this level, you know, they put this at the bottom lowest setting, obviously. And then over here, they're raised up a little bit to ensure proper leveling. Just finishing up the installation here. As you can see, they raised it up a little bit. Make sure all the legs are level and the roof is level. Alright guys, as you can see, the structure is basically up. I wanted to give you guys an update on what happened. So everything went really smoothly. They're just nailing down the base with two different types of augers or screws or bolts. One's a regular bolt that goes to the ground, and then we have an asphalt type bolt. I'll show you guys what that is in a little bit. They're actually really efficient. The guy jumps up on top of the roof, and he goes down the line and actually stands on the roof as he screws everything in. It's actually pretty cool. Very fast, very efficient. Everything went up, they leveled everything out, and they started screwing everything in very, very quickly, making sure everything's 100% level and straight. They keep moving things around. The guy on top is like an acrobat. That's quite the skillful guy. You know, he's up there, he's moving the corrugated metal, because it is corrugated metal. He's moving it around left and right as he needs to by jumping up and moving it. Kind of crazy. I couldn't do that. So we're putting it on one side, I'll put it on the other side. And it should be finished within half an hour now here, so it's not that much longer. Let's go finish up. So as we can see here, we're gonna have some metal. So that panel, so this panel is gonna go under this panel here, so the water goes right over. See here? We're gonna lift it up and throw it right under it. That's just to make sure that the water goes right over it. These are the Asphalt Anchors. Now that it's all in, you can see it's all lined up and ready to go. All right, boys and girls, as you can see, we are all done, all set. At the end of the day, just put a little trim here to cover up the ends of the wall here. It's really high quality stuff. I like it. I already put the Subaru in. I'm gonna put the wood pile, and this is only the beginning of the wood pile. We're gonna put this wood, we're gonna move it to here, so it's away from the house. I don't like keeping wood against the house. It's not a good idea. It was there temporarily until I got my carport, and here we are. So we'll move it there. I wanna show you guys the two different ways this is bolted to the ground. So we got an asphalt anchor, as I showed you guys before, and this is the other anchor. This thing's not going anywhere. One thing is you could actually stand on top of him, not even on the beam. You can stand right in the middle of it and it's still strong enough to hold you. Pretty cool. These are support beams, make it nice and strong. And to also finish it up, they bolted these on right at the end. You gotta love it. All right, guys, there you have it. The installation of the carport is complete. I am extremely satisfied. Those guys did a really great job. They're actually here on work visas from Honduras and Mexico. They did a really great job. They actually live on the road. They don't see their house or home for about a year or two, and then they go back for 6 months, and then they come back again for work. It's a crazy schedule they lead, and great bunch of guys. So I gave them a bit extra there just to have fun tonight. But yeah, carport is up. I am more than happy, more than ecstatic. I'm gonna put this to good use this winter. We're gonna put cars in there. We're gonna do some projects, and we're gonna clear up this garage back here so we'll be able to use it and be able to do the projects for you guys on YouTube. All right, guys, that wraps it up. Thanks for watching. As usual, if you have any questions, put it down below, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out.